Good afternoon, everyone. Before starting, I just want to share something with you. I was just going through with this annual report. There is a quotation given by Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and not to stop till you reach, till you achieve. So you have achieved your goal, but this is not an end. This is just the beginning for you. So I'm deeply obliged and highly privileged to be the part of this convocation ceremony. And this is really nostalgic for me. I was sharing with the dignitaries on the dais, the Honorable LG.V.K. Saxena ji, Commissioner MCD, Additional Commissioner, the Director, the other officers of MCD, the academicians, everyone who is present here, the students, the proud parents, as well as the faculty members, the staff of the department. So I'm really nostalgic feeling for me. I'm just recalling my own convocation 4 or 5 years back when I got my PhD degree. That was a time I was at that side of the auditorium, and I'm really honored that I've got this privilege, that I'm handing over the degrees to you today. So this is a moment of joy for all of you, especially the faculty members, staff, the students, and the proud parents. Your hard work, your sincerity, your dedication has really paid off today. So it's a dream for everyone, for every medical students to complete the MBBS. First, the most difficult part is to get into the MBBS, clearing the entrance exam and getting the seat in the medical college. So it is a great achievement for you. I'm heartily congratulate to all of you, all the recipients of the degrees and the awards. And now you all will be venturing into the noble profession of medicine, which is a huge, huge, huge responsibilities. ग्रंथों में कहा गया है कि जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उसको भगवान का रूप माना जाता है. तो आज से आपकी शुरुआत हो चुकी है. आप लोग सबके लिए एक भगवान का रूप माना जाएगा. और जो आपने अभी ओथ ली यहाँ पर, बहुत बड़ी बात है. I really expect that all of you will perform your duty with your great integrity and ethics. This is the most important. क्योंकि जब आपके पास कोई अप्रोच करेगा तो समझ लीजिए वो बहुत परेशान होगा जब आपके पास आएगा. डॉक्टर एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है, मेडिकल एक ऐसा प्रोफेशन है जहाँ पेशेंट परेशान है, जहाँ फैमिली परेशान है. तो आप लोग अपनी जिम्मेदारी बखूबी निभाएंगे. जैसे एक विलियम ऑसलर का भी एक कोट है, दैट अ गुड फिजिशियन इज वन हु ट्रीट द डिजीज, but a great physician is one who treats the patient who has a disease. I want to share something with you. I was talking to Dr. Akshay. He's one of the colleagues, is my family doctor, Dr. Gaurav Nidhara. So वो डॉक्टर ही ऐसे हैं, उनको मिलने के बाद आधी बीमारी तो वैसे ही ठीक हो जाती है. जनरल पब्लिक का परसेप्शन है कि डॉक्टर इतने जॉली हैं, इतने प्यार से और इतने अच्छे से ट्रीट करते हैं, पेशेंट की आधी बीमारी तभी ठीक हो जाती है. तो मैं पूरी आशा करती हूँ आप लोग उसी तरह से अपनी ड्यूटी को निभाएंगे. Although Dean साहब ने अभी हमसे शेयर किया that this is a great achievement for the MCD, that with the limited resources, जहाँ पर there is lack of funds, there is lack of proper infrastructure, there is lack of proper availability of seats also. Maybe in the coming times, MCD is planning to have a good medical college very soon. We are at the planning stage. I can see a smile on your face right now. So this will make a medical education leading in the field of research and innovation, and also providing the quality health care. So I'm sure the students who have been facilitated today with the degrees and the awards, you all will carry forward the legacy of your predecessors and make their own name in the medical sciences and make college proud, MCD proud, your parents proud, as well as your family proud. So once again, I want to congratulate everyone, the dean, director, faculty members, doctors, and officers. But one thing you need to make sure, because even I did my PhD, I was so happy when I got my doctor prefix in front of my name. I was so happy. But you have a very huge responsibility. Don't forget your responsibility towards your family, the responsibility towards your parents, the responsibility towards the society, the responsibility towards the country. So we really expect all this from you. All the best for your future endeavors. Once again, congratulations, everyone.